Today we're gonna see if I can out-chef Makoto's dressing. I see onions, soybean oil, soy sauce, salt, sodium benzoate, a word that I can't pronounce, flavored vinegar, celery, carrots, ginger, sugar, tomato paste, cultured dextrose, white pepper, hot sauce, and that's about it. Okay, let's give it a try. I'll start off by peeling and dicing my carrots. These carrots go into the food processor. Now we have our onion. The first ingredient on the bottle is onion, so we know there's gonna be a lot of it in there. Onion goes in. It is a ginger dressing, so obviously we're gonna need a lot of this. I find that the easiest way to peel ginger is with a spoon. Just press the spoon against the peel and it should come right off. Ginger goes into the food processor. I'm also gonna throw in a clove of garlic. I know I'm not using all of the ingredients on the back of the bottle, but this is my way of doing things. I'm trying to make it taste better than the Makoto's dressing. Now we're going in with some rice vinegar, soy sauce, just a little bit, touch of sugar, pop on the lid, and let's give this guy a spin. And I'll slowly drizzle in some vegetable oil. And a little bit of water. Let's give it a taste and see where we're at. We're getting close to the consistency we want, but we still have to go a little bit more. Pretty dang good. More salt, more sugar, some more oil. Pretty close to the color. Okay, let's see how we're looking now. Here's the consistency. It looks just like the one from the bottle. More salt. When in doubt, always more salt. So we're gonna be doing a blind taste test. We have two judges today. We have our first dressing here.
Powerful. It's oniony. It has a little crunch.
I think it's light, a little acidic.
Did you just... It is pretty acidic. Dressing number 2.
Mostly like eating chopped carrots.
Which is it a good thing or a bad thing?
Well, it's not liquidy enough.
It's not
just
liquidy enough. Okay, that's
it's
fair.
just like a carrot salad in itself.
Okay.
I love it.
Let's go ahead on to the rankings. Number 1, what would you rank it out of 10?
8.
Go 8. That's what I would say.
8?
Yeah.
And number 2, what would
Let
you
me
rate
think.
it?
I have to think.
If you were having a salad, which one would you put on your salad?
Okay. I know which one I would put on.
3, 2, 1.
9.
5.5.
Are you serious? You don't like it? I unfortunately did not out-chef Makoto's dressing.